Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your microphone not working on Nothing Phone 4a Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So we got it right at the bottom and we got it right here. We can clean it with a soft brush. We can use an air compressor that also works better. And basically we have all the ways of actually cleaning it. So you find yours and then you can clean it. After it's clean, I will remember go to the recorder app. Here we can just start recording, and as you guys can see, we can just click on allow here. It is recording now, and every time the wave moves is basically recording our voice, and when it goes like static, then it is not recording anything. So that's how we know that our microphone is working. Basically, now we can stop the recording, and of course we can save it. But what are we going to do now is, as a last resort, we're going to update our software to fix any mic glitches. So we're going into the settings. Now here in the settings, we go to system, go to system updates, and it is checking for updates. So I do have another version. I just click on download and install, and it basically updates us, and it can fix our mic glitches. So it's very important to update your software. Make sure to not forget that. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.